am Madhur. I'm from Punjab. And before coming here at Jagannath University, I was preparing for architecture and I also gave exams for architecture. And जब admission लेने का time आया, then I was so confused because जितने भी उस लोगों से लोगे उतना confused होते जाओगे. And then I checked pros and cons of that. And उसी time पे I got a call from ImaginXP from a user. Then he told me about what UX is. So at that time I was very confused and honestly not interested because वो एक नई term है हमारे लिए. So then I searched for it for a month and I thought about it. Then I got to know कि it's better than architecture. So then I took more knowledge from internet and I also contacted my few friends and relatives जो इस job में already हैं. And then I got to know कि ये better है इससे. So I pursued for UX here and it's very far from my home, but it's a new experience for me for being here. And with ImaginXP, the teachers are very good. हमें जो teachers मिले हैं, especially Shweta ma'am and Abdul sir और Abhishek sir. So these are my favorite faculties of Fintech भी. And management जो हमारा जगन्नाथ का मैनेजमेंट है that is okay, but the teachers from ImaginXP are good and like well educated. And design में कुछ भी गलत नहीं होता, तो हर एक टीचर का अलग व्यू होता है, तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. उनसे उल्टा हम समझते हैं कि हर कोई क्या सोचता है डिज़ाइन के बारे में. So it's been a great experience till now and I'm looking forward for more experience through internships and summer breaks internships. So yes, that's my experience.